Hey guys, welcome to my channel Linux King. My name is Salman Francis, and I know I'm back after a while, but here is some news for you guys, that I'll be posting my new videos about Linux, Amazon, security, Kubernetes, Terraform, like all IT related in my new channel. It's called Tekco, and the link will be in the description. And so I have decided to start with RHCE 9 basically. So I'll be posting some new videos about Linux, like how you can appear in your RHCE exam. It's going to be all about Ansible. So I hope to see you guys in my new channel. Please do subscribe for my latest videos. I will not be posting anything on Linux King due to some issues. And so see you in my new channel Tekco, and I hope that you will support me the same way you have did in my Linux King channel. So thank you again, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.